I think all awards are important. Women's awards are important because what they do is, if they are awards that really want to do what they have to do, they find women who are unknown, unnoticed, but are doing great work and recognize them. And it's nice to be recognized whether you're a man or a woman, but if you're a woman, more so. Well, I've been in women's journalism for a very long time, and I have discovered that when you recognize a woman for her work, she doesn't rest on her laurels. She goes on to do much more. She feels, I owe this responsibility of giving back what has been given to me. And I thought it would be wonderful to use whatever experience I have to help women find their place in the sun.